Looking for an adults-only paradise in Mexico's stunning Riviera Maya? Let me take you through everything you need to know about the Platinum Yucatan Princess, a luxurious, all-inclusive resort that promises romance, relaxation, and unlimited indulgence. This five-star property sits on the pristine shores of Akumal Beach, exclusively welcoming guests 18 and over for an experience that blends Mayan-inspired elegance with modern Caribbean luxury. Spanning 40 hectares of lush tropical gardens and featuring 300 meters of private white sand beach, this resort has been turning heads since its opening in 2004. Originally launched as the Yucatan Princess All Suites Resort, it underwent a complete transformation in 2020 when it joined the Platinum International Resorts family, doubling down on its commitment to upscale, adults-only experiences. The resort went through extensive renovations between 2022 and 2023, refreshing everything from suites to dining venues, and they did not stop there. In 2024, they added new pool bars and enhanced their beach cabana offerings, showing they are serious about staying current and competitive. With ratings consistently hovering between 8.5 and 9 out of 10 across major booking platforms, and earning recognition like TripAdvisor's Traveler's Choice Award for 2023 through 2025, this place has built quite a reputation. But does it live up to the hype? Let me walk you through every aspect of this tropical retreat so you can decide if it is worth your hard-earned vacation dollars. When it comes to accommodations, the Platinum Yucatan Princess does not mess around. The resort offers 480 suites, and every single one comes loaded with features that elevate your stay beyond the typical hotel experience. We are talking marble floors that feel cool under your feet, private balconies where you can sip your morning coffee while watching the sunrise, and minibars that get restocked daily with your favorite drinks and snacks. Each suite includes an Nespresso machine for coffee lovers, smart televisions with streaming capabilities, reliable Wi-Fi, and 24-hour room service because sometimes you just want to eat in your pajamas at midnight. The entry-level option is the Superior Garden View Suite, measuring 64 square meters or about 689 square feet. These rooms feature king beds, separate living areas, and balconies overlooking the resort's tropical gardens and jungle surroundings. You get a pillow menu so you can choose exactly the right firmness for your sleep style, a hydromassage tub perfect for soaking after a day at the beach, rain showers that make you feel like you are bathing in a tropical storm, plus bathrobes and slippers that you will wish you could take home. These suites can accommodate up to 3 adults and represent the most affordable way to experience this level of luxury. If you want to wake up to ocean views without breaking the bank, the Superior Ocean View Suite offers the same 64 square meters and amenities but with partial sea views from your balcony. There is something magical about hearing the waves while you are still in bed. Step up to the Junior Suite Garden View and you get 72 square meters with a separate bedroom, larger sitting area, and a more spacious balcony. These rooms add a sofa bed and walk-in closet, accommodating up to 4 adults comfortably. Some of these even feature hammocks on the balcony, perfect for afternoon naps with a book. The Junior Suite Ocean View gives you all of that but with direct ocean views, meaning you can watch the Caribbean waves roll in from multiple vantage points in your suite. Now, if you really want to splurge, the Platinum Suite is where things get seriously impressive. At 112 square meters spread across 2 stories, these loft-style accommodations feature the bedroom upstairs, living and dining areas downstairs, and a private rooftop terrace. We are talking about butler service, private check-in, personalized minibar stocking based on your preferences, an in-suite spa tub, and Bang & Olufsen audio systems for incredible sound quality. Some of these suites even include plunge pools on the terrace. Platinum Suite guests get VIP treatment including priority restaurant reservations, though honestly most restaurants here operate on a walk-in basis anyway. Pricing varies significantly by season. During low season from May through October, you might pay anywhere from $300 to $600 per night for double occupancy with everything included. High season from December through April sees prices jump to $500 to $1,200 per night. Keep in mind this is all-inclusive, so your meals, drinks, activities, and entertainment are covered. When you factor in what you would spend on food and beverages at a regular hotel, the value proposition starts looking pretty attractive. Let me tell you about the dining situation because this is where the Platinum Yucatan Princess really shines. We are talking 9 full restaurants plus 6 bars, all included in your stay, with unlimited access to premium liquor brands. No reservations needed for most venues, which means you can decide what you are in the mood for at the last minute. The main buffet restaurant Mundi operates from 7 in the morning until 11 at night, covering breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This is not your typical hotel buffet with sad scrambled eggs and limp bacon. We are talking seafood stations with fresh catches, Mexican taco bars with all the fixings, live cooking stations where chefs prepare dishes to order, omelet stations at breakfast, and an impressive array of international dishes. They run themed nights too, with Mexican night on Wednesdays being particularly popular. The variety here means you could eat at Mundi every day and still not try everything. For Italian cuisine, Aromas serves up authentic pasta, risotto, and what many guests call the best tiramisu they have ever had. The lobster ravioli is a standout special, and they offer wine pairings if you want to elevate your meal. The dress code here is elegant casual, so leave the shorts and flip-flops in your room. The restaurant seats about 80 people, and while reservations are not required, you might wait a few minutes during peak dinner hours. La Hacienda brings Mexican flavors to life with tacos al pastor, rich mole sauces, sizzling fajitas, and churros for dessert. They host mariachi nights that add authentic atmosphere, and the colorful decor makes you feel like you have stepped into a traditional Mexican hacienda. This venue accommodates about 100 guests and maintains a casual dress code. If you are looking for something romantic and different, La Fondue offers Swiss-style cheese and meat fondues plus chocolate fondue for dessert. The intimate setting with only 60 seats and dim lighting makes this perfect for couples celebrating anniversaries or special occasions. Smart casual attire is recommended here, and while walk-ins are accepted, making a reservation is probably wise. Bamboo covers Asian fusion with a menu spanning sushi, teppanyaki, pad thai, and other pan-Asian favorites. The sushi is surprisingly fresh for a resort, and they occasionally offer sushi-making demonstrations. Teppanyaki requires reservations because the chef performs at your table, making it dinner and a show. The restaurant holds about 70 people and keeps things casual. For lunch or dinner right on the beach, Isla Bonita serves grilled seafood, fresh ceviche, and other beach grill favorites. Seating about 150 with an oceanfront view, this spot is perfect for sunset dinners. The lobster platters get rave reviews, and there is nothing quite like eating fresh fish with your toes in the sand. The 6 bars scattered around the property include a lobby bar, beach bar, swim-up pool bar, and others, serving everything from local Mexican beers to premium cocktails and top-shelf liquors. Hours generally run from 10 in the morning until 2 in the morning, so whether you want a morning Bloody Mary or a midnight mojito, someone will make it for you. The swim-up pool bar is especially popular, letting you order colorful tropical drinks without leaving the water. Some bars host mixology shows where bartenders demonstrate flair techniques while making your drinks. The unlimited premium alcohol is a huge selling point, as many all-inclusive resorts limit you to cheaper brands or charge extra for the good stuff. The pool and beach facilities at this resort deserve their own spotlight because they are truly exceptional. The property features 4 distinct pools, each serving a different purpose. The main attraction is the massive infinity pool, measuring 1,200 square meters and ranging from 1.2 to 1.5 meters deep. This adults-only pool features a swim-up bar where you can order drinks without leaving the water, surrounded by loungers and shaded areas. The infinity edge creates a stunning visual effect where the pool appears to blend seamlessly into the Caribbean Sea beyond. Poolside waiters circulate constantly, taking drink and snack orders so you never have to move from your lounger. The second pool is designed as a quiet relaxation area, perfect for those who want to swim laps or float peacefully without the party atmosphere. The third is a rooftop pool at the spa, offering elevated views and a more intimate setting. The fourth activity pool includes its own bar and tends to attract guests looking for a more social scene with music and games. All pools operate from 7 in the morning until 11 at night year-round, with towel service and loungers included. The beach is where this resort really sets itself apart from competitors. 300 meters of private white sand beach with powdery soft sand that feels amazing under your feet stretches before you. The water is calm and swimmable most of the year, though like all Caribbean beaches, seasonal sargassum seaweed can appear, particularly in summer months. The resort has invested in cleaning technology to minimize this issue, and staff rake the beach daily to keep it pristine. Beach activities include complimentary kayaks, paddleboards, and snorkeling gear. The non-motorized water sports are all free, though motorized options like jet skis would require booking through outside vendors. Beach waiters provide the same attentive service as the pool, bringing drinks and food directly to your lounger. Shaded palapas offer relief from the intense Mexican sun, and the towel service means you never need to bring anything from your room except sunscreen. Some guests note that the beach can feel crowded during peak season, particularly around holidays when the resort runs at full capacity. However, with 300 meters of beachfront, you can usually find a quieter spot if you walk a bit farther from the main access point. The snorkeling right off the beach is decent, though serious snorkelers might want to take one of the excursions to nearby reefs or cenotes for more dramatic underwater scenery. The combination of multiple pools and extensive beach access means you have options depending on your mood. Want to be social and meet other guests? Hit the main pool or central beach area. Need some quiet time? The relaxation pool or far ends of the beach offer tranquility. This variety is one of the reasons guests rate the facility so highly. Activities at the Platinum Yucatan Princess go well beyond just lounging by the pool, though there is absolutely nothing wrong with that approach to vacation. The fitness center opens at 6 in the morning and stays accessible until 10 at night, equipped with treadmills, stationary bikes, free weights, yoga mats, and even Peloton bikes for those who cannot skip their favorite instructor's class even on vacation. The facility is well maintained and air-conditioned, which matters when you are working out in the tropics. Group fitness classes run throughout the day on a published schedule, including yoga sessions, aqua aerobics in the pool, and spin classes. These classes are included in your stay and led by qualified instructors who can modify exercises for different fitness levels. Beach volleyball nets are set up for pickup games, and the resort sometimes organizes tournaments. Non-motorized water sports like kayaking and paddleboarding are free and available during daylight hours. The calm bay makes these activities accessible even for beginners. The resort organizes daily activities ranging from Spanish lessons to dance classes to tequila tastings. Check the daily schedule posted in your room and around the resort to see what is happening. Evening entertainment includes nightly shows in the theater featuring everything from live music to acrobatic performances to Mexican folklore presentations. The quality of these shows varies, but they are professionally produced and entertaining. Theme nights like beach parties and foam parties happen regularly, creating a party atmosphere without the spring break chaos since this is an adults-only property. A resident band performs several nights a week, and guest DJs occasionally spin sets. Some guests mention that the entertainment can feel repetitive if you stay for an extended period, but for a typical week-long vacation, most find plenty of variety. The resort has partnered with local tour operators to offer excursions to nearby attractions. While these cost extra, booking through the resort concierge is convenient and ensures reliable transportation. Popular options include snorkeling trips to better reefs, cenote exploration tours, visits to Mayan ruins, and adventure parks. The activities desk can arrange everything from ziplining to swimming with turtles to exploring underground rivers. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.